Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple means LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest common multiple of the given number. Okay, children, let's see with the example. Here are 12 and 16. So we have to find out the multiples of 12 and 16. First we will find out multiples of 12. Okay, you know multiples of 12 means we have to write the table of 12. 12, 24, 36, 12 3 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 76, 12 7 is 84, 12 8 is 96, 12 9 is 108, 12 10 is 120, and so on. You can make multiples unlimited. Okay, now multiples of 16. So 16, 32, 48, 64, product of 16. Okay, 80, 96, 112, 128, 16 sevens. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, sorry, 16 eights. 144 and 160 and so on. Okay, here are the multiples of 12 and 16. Now we have to find out the common multiples. Listen, children, for LCM or least common multiple, first we have to find out the common multiples of given numbers. Okay, children, common multiples of 12 and 16 are, yes, come on, here, from here, see here 12, 24, 36, here is 16, 32, 48, yes, here this 48 is the common multiple. This is also 48 is in both multiples. Okay, now 60, 84, 96, yes, children, 96 is a common multiple. Okay, then 108, 120, here 140, 144. Okay, we get these two common multiples now. Okay, 48 and 96. Okay, children, common multiples of 12 and 16 are 48 and 96. Listen here, children, you can get another common multiples when you multiply or when you write this product आगे भी अगर आप करते हो, then you will get the common multiples, more common multiples. Okay, but now here we get common multiples of 12 and 16 are 48 and 96. Now from these two numbers we have to find out the least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple of 12 and 16. Yes, from these two, which is the least, means which is the smallest common multiple, children? This 14. Okay, 12 and 16 is 48, and this is the common least common multiple of 12 and 16. Now you understand, children, least common multiple or LCM is two or more numbers. See here, these two numbers 12 and 16 is the smallest common multiple of the given number. Means बच्चों, जो सबसे पहले common number आएगा दोनों number में से, this number, okay, is the least common multiple of that given number. Okay, I hope you have understood about the least common multiple. Now children, exercise 5.4, question 3. There is a, see here is a question. find the LCM of the following pairs of number. Okay, here A, 9, 24. First we have to find out the multiples of 9 and then 24, then common multiples and then least common multiple. Okay, wait, we will do. Okay, now see here in this example children, 9 and 24. So we have to find out the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Okay, now multiples of 24 are, children, you have to make multiples. Okay, 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96, 24 fives are 120, 24 6 are 148, sorry 44, 24 sevens are 168, 24 8s are 192, 24 9s are 216, 24 10s are 240 and so on. Now common multiples of 9 and 24 are, see here common multiples, we get here 72, only this common multiple now, but when we make multiples more than 90, more than 10, okay, then you will get another common multiples, but we have to find out the least common multiple. So this 72 is a common multiple and LCM or least common multiple of 19 and 24 is 72. Okay children, now next. Now children, here in this example 14 and 32. Okay, so multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, 140, 154, 168, 182, 196, 210 and 224. See here children, we make multiples of 14 up to 14 14s, okay, then we get 224. Now multiples of 32 are 32, 64, 96, 128, 160, 192, 224. Okay, now here when we got multiples 14 14s are 224 and here 32 7s are, okay, 224 means this is the common multiple of 14 and 32, okay, 224. So this 224 is the least, means smallest common multiple of 14 and 32, okay, least common multiple or LCM of 14 and 32 is 224. Okay children, now we will see next example. Now children, here in this example 30 and 60 are numbers. So multiples of 30 are 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, and then multiples of 60 are 60, 120, 180, 240, 300 and 360 and so on. Okay, now common multiples of 30 and 60 are here, see here, yes, here is a 60 and here is also 60. So first common multiple we get, then here is 120, here is 120, then here is 180, here is 180, then here is 240, here is 240. Okay, so we get more common multiples here. So 60, 120, 180 and 240 and so on. Okay, now we have to find out least common multiple or LCM of 30 and 60 is. From these common multiples we have to find out the least common multiple or smallest common multiple, and you know the smallest common multiple is 60. So LCM or least common multiple of 30 and 60 is 60. Okay children, like this you have to complete exercise 5.4 remaining examples in the notebook. Thank you.